outlet. Please subscribe our channel, share, like and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon, then you will get the all notification from our channel. Hi friends, welcome to Ishita's Factory Outlet friends. So in our Ishita house we have a lot of collections though. Sarees collection and kurtis collection, dress collection, and today I am going to show the especially in multi combination of saree, that is Banarasi sarees, pattu sarees and some cotton varieties. So before going that, we have a different department like this. This is the kurti section. Only here kurtis only starting from only 45 rupees to up to thousands above. We have a lot of collections of kurti, gharara, sharara like that. This is the cotton dress material department, only dress material department, and we have a different department wise. The dress material here starting from only 105 here starting price, and next we will go for next department is bridal section. Bridal section here starting only 600 rupees to up to 3000 4000 above, and we have a different catalogs and printed sarees, work sarees and lot of collections, and we have a different department wise we have to put the collections. So next department is printed saree department, and printed sarees only starting from 95 rupees to up to thousands and 2000 3000 above, and all the collections are. We have a catalog and work sarees and printed sarees like this section wise. And next department is Banarasi and cotton, Banarasi cotton and pattu department. So this is the Banarasi cotton pattu department, and lehengas also we have a lehengas also, and here starting only 135 rupees to up to thousands above, and 3000 4000 above, and the more it's depend on customer requirement, and the customer get the complete proper packing like this, box packing and complete total packing like this. This is the parcel, and we have a parcel transport facility in all over India. We have a transport and parcel facility. So don't be late friends, we will going to show the collections of pattu, Banarasi, cotton sarees. Let's get start the video friends. So friends, today I am going to show the collections of cotton and silk Banarasi pattu saree collection, especially here starting only 135 rupees to up to thousands above, 2000 3000 4000 up to thousands above, and this is the starting range saree only 135 rupees. This is saree based on cotton based saree, and next collection is this is butter silk saree. Butter silk saree, this is only 199 rupees and with blouse, and total saree floral print, and see this different multi color combination print from this saree. So friends, this is the pallu part. See this is pallu part. Total saree digital print saree, and total saree is total weightless saree, and this is based on floral print saree, and most of the customer require this kind of sarees like that. So low prices sarees this is, and same price but different color combination and design also different. This is also butter silk saree, and this is huge collection of animal design saree, and this is the total saree design, and this is a blouse, and this part is only pallu part. The saree is total entire saree like this animal design combination, and the most of the customers saying that Kalankari design print also. So we have a lot of collections in our Ishita house. So this is Manipuri silk saree, and most of the customers like this kind of sarees. So this is the Manipuri silk saree, and total based sarees, weightless sarees. This is the blouse part, and this is pallu part. Total saree like this, multi color combination of flower sarees, and next collection is Manipuri cotton. This is the Manipuri cotton saree, pure cotton based, and see the designs, and this is the total weaving saree, and most of the customer require this sarees, and this is evergreen saree, and blouse also brocade blouse. This is the brocade blouse, and next is pallu part is also grand total combination of sarees, total weaving and grand combination of flower design, and with heavy jalar also, the saree in cotton sarees we have a lot of colors and designs, and multiple combination of color design choice. So next collection is the pattu sarees. This is the Banarasi concepts of pattu sarees, lightweight pattu saree. See this color combination, blue and pink checks combination, and this is a beautiful saree, and now so trending silver border sarees. See this total lightweight combination, and same contrast blouse, blouse also contrast combination, and with all sarees we get with blouse sarees. And next collection is, wow, most beautiful collection, this one. See this is a total grand pallu part. See this friends, this is total hand making touch of work. So this is heavy pallu part, especially in Diwali collections, Dasara, Diwali, new collections. And this jalar also grand looking jalars, and saree also grand looking, small buttis. Entire saree we have small buttis, and border also so beautiful, and total entire saree like this. See this guys, entire saree like this, and most of the customer requirement of the sarees. And next collection is catalog sarees, catalog Banarasi catalog sarees. This is the nice saree, and border also multi combination of border, and with peacock designs, with blouse also brocade blouse. And see this blouse also brocade blouse, red color combination of blouse. See this blouse also contrast and brocade blouse, and pallu also so beautiful pallu, and with multicolor combination of pallu. And we have a lot of collections of in our Ishita house. We have to change so many collections in day by day. So this is the factory outlet, so that's why we have to change the designs in day by day. See this is the boutique collection of saree. This is, see this butterfly design with Swarovski diamond work with embroidering flowers, and total saree based on lightweight combination. This is a so rich combination of saree. See this is the pallu part, and entire saree like this, and total saree like this design, and rich pallu, and beautiful collection of this saree. And we have a lot of designs of Banarasi and Pattu and Kalankari, Uppada, all designs we have a different. See this Banarasi, pure Banarasi sarees, and rich combination of pallu. This is the pallu part, and with stones also here. See this is the embroidery work of this saree. See this bright color combination with zari work. See this border also so beautiful, and so beautiful cloth also so soft and so nice saree. And next we have a collection of Malai silk saree. This is the Malai silk saree. See this guys, this is Malai silk sarees, soft and so trending saree, and total lightweight combination of this saree. See this Malai silk sarees, and border also so beautiful, and now trending, and most of the customer require like this sarees. See this is the blouse. This is the contrast based blouse, and this is pallu part. See this rich combination of pallu part. And we have in this saree, in Malai silk saree, we have a lot of designs in small border and big border, multiple combination of color combinations. So customer, we have to choose the color combination whenever going to select the sarees. So this is the next collection of Banarasi sarees, total different combination of color combination, and total in most of the customer like this contrast combination of saree. This is the elephant design. See this elephant designs, and with flower leaves designs, and border also so beautiful. See this is the rich pallu of saree, and the saree, in this saree the pallu part is so beautiful of the sarees. And we have a lot of collections of in our Ishita house. So we have a not only in Banarasi saree, Pattu sarees, we have all collections of sarees, and in sarees, printed sarees, chiffon, synthetic, poonam, crepe, and dresses, and sharara, garara, and plazo sets, and kurtis, and all collections of dress materials, and especially in lehengas, Pattu saree, Uppada sarees, and Banarasi saree, all collection at one place, that is called as Ishita House Factory Outlet. So we have a all collections in our Ishita house. So in our Ishita house only minimum order 25,000 to up to 1,000 sebo. So we have a online facility also, and if the customer wanted to directly came here to purchase here, so most welcome friends. We have all options. The customer directly purchase to come to here, so most welcome friend. This is, and customer not able to come here, if the distance problem, if any problem, so customer going to buy the products through on video call friends. So friends, if you like the collection, then subscribe our channel and share, like, and press the bell icon, then you will get all the notification, latest video notification you will get from our channel. So friends, we will meet in next video. Until then, bye friends.